Hi everyone, I'm Marco, Global Product Manager of TruCONTROL, an ATS controller made for transfer switching purposes. Today with me, there is Gabriele, our technical expert.
Good morning, everyone.
Today we're going to focus on how to configure TruCONTROL 2.0, introducing a new feature called auto configuration that will enable you to save time and cost.
Thanks to the automatic configurator, the TruCONTROL 2.0 is able to automatically detect and set important parameters like the rated frequency, the rated voltage, the phase sequence, the neutral pole location, and the power distribution system for both source 1 and source 2. We will now see how to perform the automatic configurator on our device. Here we have the HMI of the device. We can go on the main menu, parameters, system parameters, and we will find the automatic configurator. Once pressed, a prompt will ask us if we want to perform the automatic configurator. If we say yes, the controller will automatically detect and set the correct parameters.
As you can see, the auto configuration is a new feature that is helping you to save time and reduce cost of operation. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.